Hi, my name is Benji and we're about to unbox the latest Marvel gear and goods crate from Loot Crate. It comes in a blank black box. It used to come in a fancy Marvel looking box, but that doesn't mean what's inside isn't awesome. So we're gonna take a moment and open it up. As we mentioned in the past, this year they're doing color themes, and so just from opening it, I'm gonna guess that this theme is green. We've got a Hulk cookie mug. It's got instructions on the front, so I'm not quite sure what a cookie mug is, but I will figure it out once I open it. Here's the cookie mug. It's obviously Green Hulk being angry, and the idea is you can put a cookie here so that if you're really lazy, you can have a cookie and drink at the same time. It's really big. Obviously it's got an indentation there for where the insert is for the cookie mug, but it's kind of cool because it makes it look like the Hulk is eating a cookie, although I don't know that I would take a cookie out of Hulk's mouth. And it's got some nice weight to it and a good sculpt, so this is actually pretty impressive. And in case you can't figure out what to do, there's instructions, which it says put the cookie in your mouth. Next we got a t-shirt from Gamora with some various comic style artwork, and she is also green, as you know from the Guardians of the Galaxy. Next we have a green Goblin accessory tray, continuing the green theme, so let's open this up. So here's the green Goblin accessory tray. You can see it looks like the glider wing from the Green Goblin storyline with some comic artwork on it. And you can put various things on here, like you could rest your spoons and forks as you're eating, if you don't want to get them on the table. I will note that it is hand wash only and not microwave or oven safe. So just make sure you are taking delicate care of this. They always like to do a pin, so we've got a Man-Thing Wreath Pin. So it's Man-Thing kind of looking like a Christmas wreath. Finally, we got a Loki Decal. He wears green, he isn't green. That you can put with whoever you want to say is the God of Mischief. Because it's holiday time, they gave us some holiday tags too. So you can put these on gifts as well as anything you want to regift from your Loot Crate. Then they also included a QR code which you can scan to find out what's in your crate. Now I did scan it and this crate's not on there. They do not seem to have this one on yet for some reason. And so I don't know if we got everything. I don't know what was supposed to be in there, but I think everything is pretty self-explanatory. In any case, this is a pretty mid-range crate. It's got some things you could actually use, but I don't think it has anything that jumps out at you as a really cool item. The last box, the yellow box, was pretty cool, so it's okay that this one's a little bit of a step down, and we'll see what they do next time. Anyway, thank you very much, and have a great day.